Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys all know in the title already, I will be doing a makeup haul that TikTok made me buy it. I should not download this app. I should not listen to my friend to download this app because Viola made me download this freaking app, and now I'm hooked. Like I just keep scrolling and scrolling, swiping and like keep watching the videos. But anyways, I have a lot of bags here from Target and Ulta right here. So anyway, we'll start at, let's just start at Ulta. So, oh my god, hold on, let me just, first things first. Oh, actually, you know what, let me start at Target. Where is my cake? One Target bag. So I got this yesterday. This is the Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. Yeah, TikTok made me buy this. I saw this one girl, she compared this one to the Too Faced mascara from Too Faced, of course. And I do have the Too Faced mascara, and I'm gonna see about, you know, comparing, because Too Faced is actually really expensive and this one is only like $10.99 at Target. So I got this, and then let me just put this back in the bag. Second one is Camo Concealer Sponge. This is the best with our Camo concealer. So I already have the hydrating and the regular 16-hour Camo concealer. I've been using that way before, you know, like I downloaded TikTok and I didn't know they rave it so much there, and I've been using that concealer. I actually use it right now, the hydrating concealer. So yes, I'm gonna try this one from Elf. I believe this is $6 or $5. I'm not sure. I'm just gonna put it in the screen or in the description box below, all this products that I mentioned today. So I can't wait to try this. All right, next, second Target bag. I went through like literally 3 times. Target bag. All right, so this is, first things first, let me just get it. It's the NYX Butter Gloss right here. I seen this from Miss Jackie Aina, and then already before TikTok. So a lot of people also at TikTok rave about this, that they said this is like the best gloss. So I got the shade Praline BLG16. So can't wait to try this lip gloss. And then next one is this NYX Professional Makeup. What is this? Micro brow pencil. So this girl, she works at Target. She said that this is better than the Anastasia. I do love my Anastasia Brow Wiz and brow what's the other one, the pomade. So I can't wait to try this right now. I actually am using my Anastasia because I've been using the Anastasia Brow Wiz and the brow pomade. So I got the shade black. Yeah, I got the shade black. So I believe, I don't know where it's, okay, I got the receipt here. So this is the, yeah, $8.99 for this one. And the lip gloss is, I think $4.99. Yeah, I think $4.99. So I'm gonna put this in a bag. And the next one is this NYX Lingerie Push Up. This is it's a lipstick, and in the shade Seduction. Right here, I saw this girl as well on TikTok. She said this is really good, and I have actually another one, another shade. I'm gonna show it to you in a little bit, but I like this shade Seduction because I was swatching it at Target, so I got it. Anyways, not Target, I was swatching it at Ulta and they don't have it, and then I went to Target to get it because they have it on stock. Next one is the Wet n Wild Sponge. So I seen this a lot as well before TikTok, like this is really good, and then I saw like the girl on TikTok, she was, you know, crazy about it. Okay, last Target bag. First things first is the Sonia Kashuk makeup blender, another blender. Yeah, so this other girl, this TikTok girl, said if you don't like the, you know, beauty blender or like the other Real Techniques, try the Sonia Kashuk. So this is only $5. It's the same price as the Elf sponge. Yeah, it's the same as the elf sponge. I can't even talk right now, so I can't wait to use this as well. I do love my Real Techniques, and also I'm loving the elf sponge, so I'm gonna try, you know, what's the hype about this, because TikTok made me buy it. So next one is, oh my god, next one is this Pixie Glow Tonic. This is the 5% glycolic acid exfoliating toner. So I've seen a lot of people rave about this as well before I download TikTok, and then when I was in TikTok, and it's like, oh, you gotta try this, you know, must have a Target, da da da. So I'm just like, all right. This is actually $15 US. It's kind of expensive, and this is like my first Pixie product, so I can't wait. I do ran out of my, I normally use my Ole Henriksen, the blue one and the green one, for like nighttime and the morning time. Both of those two is already like done, and they're kind of expensive. They're like $26 or $28 at Sephora, but I was thinking about repurchasing it because it really does work in my skin. But I'm gonna try this Pixie and, you know, just give it a try. If it doesn't work for my skin, then I'm gonna go back to my Ole Henriksen, but I'll update you guys with that. But this one, like I said, is $14.99. wait, where's that receipt? I think, but yeah, but anyways, this is $15, I'm sure. Okay, next one is this Physicians Formula Butter Collection in collaboration with Wei Li Huang. I don't know, but this is not TikTok made me buy it. I haven't seen this, but this is Juicy Jazz made me buy it. I just want to show you guys, but this palette is so cute. It has bronzer, blush, and highlighters, and I can't wait to try it. Look at that. Wow, look at that color. This blush, the bronzer too, and then I think this is great when you're traveling, because you already have your bronzers, and you know how Physicians Formula bronzer, they're like the freaking best. I have one, and also they're I don't have their blushes though. That's why if you buy this, I think you can save some money if buying it, you know, just the bronzer itself, because they're already kind of a little bit expensive. But make sure to try this guy out. But yeah, that's that, and I believe this is like 13 bucks or 14. Hold on, let me see. All the receipts are like, hold on, I'm not sure, but I believe they're like $14 for this palette. And next one is, this is the repurchase, and a lot of people as well from TikTok, I saw that they use this Duo glue, not mascara, Duo lash glue. This is just the black. I use it right now, and this lady, well, she was doing like a makeup hack on how to put your lash. So she put this first and then with the lash. So I think I might gonna do that next time, because I normally just put this and then, you know, put this on the lash and then put it in my on my lashes. But yeah, this is like the repurchase. And then the second one is this Essence Lash and Brow Gel Mascara, another repurchase, but I saw a lot of people rave about this. This is, I think, somewhere between $3 or $4. I forgot the price. I can't find the receipt, you guys. I'm so pissed. I don't know, I can't find the receipt. So anyways, moving on with Ulta. Right here, Ulta. I already used this, and this is not the TikTok made me buy, but I'm just gonna include it anyways. This is the It Bye Bye foundation. This is their new foundation. I'm wearing it right now. I'm testing it out right now so I can make another video. But this is the oil-free matte sunscreen with broad spectrum SPF plus right there. I really like the packaging, and this is really expensive. They're like 39 bucks, almost 40 bucks. And I got a shade match there, and I'm medium tan there. It kind of matches really good, but you know, you can't really see because of bronzer in it. But yeah, this is good, and I'm gonna make like a dedicating video regarding about this product. Next one is, okay, I saw this a lot on TikTok as well. They said try the ColourPop lippy pencil. So I got the BFF3, and they sold out the BFF2 and then the other shades. Like, I want to try one. They only have the tester, and it's creamy, and I'm using it right now, the BFF3, to line my lips. Yeah, so I believe this is $6 something. Where's the Ulta? Here. I got the receipt. Where is that? I forgot. Oh my god, this is not the same. I'm sorry. I'm gonna put it in the description box below. But next one, oh okay, so this is the lingerie push-up, the one that I told you guys earlier, and I got the shade push-up. It's really nude. I like the brownie nude feeling there. And I think I'm gonna give you guys a swatch. So that's the color. Oh my god, I love my nudes. If you know me, I really love my nudes, so I can't wait to try this on. And then okay, I'm gonna show you the swatch of this. Hold on, let me just. Alright, so that's the ColourPop lip pencil. It's really creamy and it glides on my lips really freaking good. And the next one TikTok made me buy it is this KKW Beauty Lip Liner in Nude 1. So this girl, I saw this girl was like, this is good as well. But if you're on a budget and then if you don't want to splurge $12 for one lip liner, go to LA Girl. They really have the best lip liners too. And I saw a lot of I saw this beauty, I think she's like a beauty influencer or something. She said LA Girl is like one of the best, you know, lip liner, and also the NYX lip liner. But anyways, I will show you this KKW because this is like 12 bucks. It's kind of expensive, and I will give you guys a swatch. Right, I don't know if you guys can see, but right there, that's Nude 1. They sold out on the Nude 1.1 or the Nude 2. I was gonna buy, but then I was thinking I do have a lot of lip liner already from LA Girl and the NYX, so I'm gonna just like, you know, wear them or like, you know, use them. Next one is this Maybelline. A lot of people really rave about Maybelline, and I've been telling a lot of people this, like Maybelline is one of the best, you know, drugstore lipstick out there. It's the Super Stay Matte Ink. I already have all the nudes. I believe I have the Fighter, the like Amazonian, that's like the best color too. But I got the shade Dancer, 118 Dancer, and I don't have, I gave some of my red lipstick to my friends. I don't know, but I kind of like feeling this color, so I'm just like, you know what, let me get it. But I already have like the nudes, so I don't want to buy it. And I think last but not the least on this TikTok made me buy it is this LA Girl brow pomade. So they compare this to the Anastasia pomade, so let's see about that, because I do love my Anastasia pomade, and it says this is smudge proof and water resistant, so we'll see about that. And let's see the price. This is $5.99. So this is $5.99, and I'm gonna just open it real quick. And the other thing that I miss is the blur stick from Revolution. They were like sold out. And also the Array drops, everything was sold out at Target when I was like going through it. But yeah, this is how they look like. Oh, she looked like, and she's in the shade Soft Black. Right there, she's tiny. So anyways, that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope TikTok made you buy things to this random things like Amazon, from makeup to just like some weird stuff. But yeah, I really enjoy TikTok. Let me know if you have TikTok too, because I just enjoy scrolling and then, you know, watching other people videos. But anyways, I hope you like this video, and I will see you guys soon on my next one. Bye.